How to get CapCut Pro for completely free the right way. I'm sure if you're a CapCut user, you notice that most, if not all the features that used to be free are no more free. They're all pro features. And in this video, we're going to get the entire pro features for free. Are you waiting? If yes, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button if you haven't done so yet. It's also free. Let's get started. So yeah guys, we're going to get the current version of CapCut. Head into your browser and type CapCut and click the first link that will be shown to you. It will take you to the official CapCut website, which is capcut.com. Once the link opens, you will see downloads. Click on the download button and the download will immediately start. So it's currently downloading. Once it's finished downloading, just double click to install it. When you double click to install it, just follow the process. This is the current version of CapCut, the ones that has all the pro features. So just follow the steps and install CapCut. Now, once CapCut is finished installing, at the top right you see settings. Click on settings and choose settings. Under the project, you will see where your file is supposed to be saved after editing. So click on it. You can save it in any location you want in your PC. After choosing, you click on select folder and then you save. Now click to start a new project. Import the video you want to edit. After importing the video you want to edit, add it to the timeline to start your edit immediately. Now we're going to add different effects. We're going to add pro effects to it. So let's add some effects. Let's add some effects. So as you can see, all of these features are now pro. These features used to be free, now they're pro. So let's add some effects to it. Let's add a filter to it. Let's see which filter we'll use. Okay, I've seen this filter, this Sicily filter. It looks a bit nice, so let's use it. It's a pro feature, but don't worry, we're going to get it. We're going to use it. We just added a pro feature. Let's add another pro feature. So I've added another pro feature. Let's also add another one. So let's also scale this thank you in as well. So we've added our pro features. Now what you do is pay attention to this. This is the part where it's very tricky. So pay attention. We're going to highlight our entire clip and right click and choose create a compound clip. So it's going to turn the entire different features into one clip, into one video clip. So as you can see, it has turned the entire, all those extra features we added into one clip. But those features are still there. We'll say, okay, this is the feature we added. This is the thank you we added. So all the features have just combined into a compound clip, which means one clip. Okay, I forgot something. If you try to export this now, you see all the features we use, all the pro features. It's going to tell us join pro, but we don't want to do that. So what you do now is right click on it and select pre-process. Your video is going to start pre-processing. So you have to wait for the video to pre-process and finish. As you can see, it's pre-processing. Let's give it some minutes or some seconds to pre-process and finish. So after a video is finished, the clip has been pre-processed. As you can see, this is the file name 1021. Head on to your file location where you chose at the beginning. You see this is the exact file name 1021. And after you go to resources and then you go to combinations. As you can see, this is our video clip here. This is our video clip that is waiting. So all those pro features I've added are in this video. So you can choose now to either upload this video to social media platforms or you can change the file location. If you change the file location and put it in this video file location, you see the video still has all the pro features that we use and you can use it anywhere. All those pro features are still there. So that is how to get CapCut Pro for completely free. At this moment, you can only upload a video in your different social media platforms. And yeah guys, if you found value in this content, please smash that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Give this video a like so you'll be able to reach as many people as possible. If this is the type of video you want to be seeing more leave it at the comment section and I'll pick it up. Surely my next video will be on that. And until then, stay blessed, stay safe.